When should a legitimate internet-based business start outsourcing tasks? If you have a legitimate internet marketing business, you will inevitably reach a point when you begin to think about outsourcing some of the numerous tasks that have to be done to make your workload lighter. Although there are no hard and fast rules for when the time would be right for you, there are some things that you need to consider so that you can answer this question for yourself. Here are some points that you should think about when you think about outsourcing. 1. How do you value your time? The first point that you must consider is the value of your time. For example, if you put a value of $20 per hour on your time, then any task that does not provide you with $20 worth of value per hour should be the first thing to be outsourced. So if it takes you 1 hour or longer to write an article, then outsourcing content production would be a good idea, as it will allow you to leverage the time of other people so that you can then make the best use of your own time. Point 2. Next point is skills. If your technical skills are limited or non-existent, then trying to create a website yourself would not be making good use of your time. The number of internet marketers who are able to do everything well themselves is extremely limited, and as the goal is to build a successful online business, it would be far better to leverage the skills of people who can help you do the things that you struggle to do. We all have our strengths and weaknesses, so if you know what yours are, then let those whose skills complement yours do the things that you cannot do well yourself. Point 3. Scale and the advantage of leveraging. Using article writing as an example, if you are able to write articles at the rate of say 4 per hour and you get paid $5 an article, then, by working an 8-hour day, you would be able to earn $160. This would mean that you would need to work 8 hours every single day of the month in order to make $4,960, provided you had sufficient clients to warrant this. Although nearly $5,000 may seem like a fair profit, you would have actually created a false limit on your monthly income, and you would also never ever get any time off. If on the other hand you outsource this work, you would be able to acquire many more clients while having other people to write the articles for you, which would give you the potential for an unlimited income. This would apply equally to any type of legitimate internet marketing, whether it was product creation, customer service, or website design, or any other task that you would need to do. If you try to do all the work yourself, you are limiting your earning potential considerably. Point 4. Last major consideration is money. There are internet marketers who start the business with considerable capital and are able to spend thousands of dollars a month to outsource. But the majority of people who begin an internet marketing business are barely managing to meet their monthly expenses. Obviously, if you fall into the latter group, then you should not consider outsourcing. If it is going to run your businesses into the ground, there is no point in outsourcing, but if you can afford to outsource, then the benefits are certainly worth it. The decision to outsource tasks is one that only you can make, and if you base it on the value of your time, the level of your skills, and the amount of money you have to spend on it, then you will be able to make a decision that is right for you and your legitimate internet business.